This night is about Mo. We can't allow it to be overshadowed by talks of a tourist, Alicia, who's going, who's not. Didn't make sense. Because now it is about our girl, Mo.
I said, Mo, about to do a show. Hey. I said, Mo, about to do a show. I said, Mo, about to do a show.
The blood of Jesus.
That was a vibe.